Hi and welcome to my PlayHouse, and today we are gonna be installing a FOD code in the awesome Lenovo X3650 Model 5. The Model 5 has a management interface built into the server, and most of the stuff you can do right out of the box, but there's a few features that Lenovo wants extra pricing for, and one of them is the remote access to the server, so that you can sit at your computer and remotely access and see what's on the console screen of the server. And yeah, it's a very good idea to buy that code when you're buying the server, and especially if you're buying a lot of servers, you can get a really good price on that. I just bought one server and it didn't come with that code, so I asked Aros ECS here in Denmark if maybe they could find a good price for me for one of those codes, and yeah, I got it. So they're kind of sponsoring this video because I got this for free. I asked very nicely and he just mailed me one. I do believe that's because he sees that these videos are doing very well. So we're gonna go to the computer and I'm gonna show you how to install an FOD code like that and open up the possibility of remote managing your servers. There is other features as well. So as Eros is kind of sponsoring this video, let's just double up and let the Bargain Hardware sponsor it too, because I started to promote Bargain Hardware and I could see in the comments that lots of you guys has had really good experience buying stuff from Bargain Hardware in the UK. So I think first we're gonna go and buy something from Bargain Hardware, because I found just the thing. So to the computer. Okay, found our way into the computer, and I even got the fireplace going back here, so yeah, just for you guys. And the red Lenovo lights is flashing up here, so let's go directly to Bargain Hardware. So here are Bargain Hardware's homepage, and it's in the UK, so bargainhardware.co.uk. I have no idea why they made that back in the day. That just makes it complicated. As you can see, you can buy all sorts of good stuff, and you can get rather inexpensive servers if you just want to start with something really simple. Over here in stock, and this DL380E Generation 8 starts at £59. That's a really good starter for server. That's not what we're going to be doing today. Today I'm going to be buying a part. Let's see if I can find it again. Solid state drive SSDs. Yeah, I think it was here. I was looking at this thing just wondering what is that, and then I came across, I can't find it again, but I remember what to search for. It was an F40. There we have it. Here it is. It's an Oracle F40 flash accelerator, 400 gigabytes. It's a PCI Express card X8, and yeah, it's like there's four, more or less it's an HBA card with 4 solid state drives on it. I thought that could be very fun to play with, so my thought was that I was gonna order one of these, and they just happen to have 85 of them in stock, so I am pretty sure they want to get rid of one of those. So we're gonna buy one of those. I have already logged into my account here on Bargain Hardware, so let's just add that to cart, and we're gonna go and check out. We're just gonna get that. Where do we want to have that shipped? I might just want to bring that home, so I want it to Denmark, the Kingdom of Denmark, and that's the zip code, and it's gonna estimate how much shipping is gonna. It's probably okay. Royal Mail, 5 to 7 days. Yeah, £12. That is kind of expensive. Royal Mail parcel. Check. We're gonna pick that. Update total. There. Yeah. Then it's gonna be £65.99. I could get a whole server for that. Just nothing in it. So we're gonna accept some payment. I am gonna use my PayPal for this. Oh, we also get to pay what? We get 5% off. I think I get that too. If we enter the promo code MyPlayHouse down here. So let's apply that. There we are. So yeah, it's a modest £2.25. It's 5% off of the product price. We still have to pay the shipping. That's the same price, and of course the VAT tax that goes down a little bit as the price goes down a little bit. So a modest saving, £2.25. So we're gonna go check out securely. Billing information, yes, ship to this address, good. Shipping information, continue. That was the, yes, continue. Credit card, I'm gonna pay with PayPal, continue. And here is all the information. I have PayPal credit, and I'm gonna block you guys for a little bit. Okay, the PayPal credit, I didn't have that. I thought that they meant if I had money on my account. I do have money on my account, but apparently that was something else. Maybe they wanted to borrow me the money and I didn't want that, and they didn't either. So yeah, we have purchased this. It should be on our way. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so what do we have? If we go to Lenovo Press and find the X3650 Model 5, it's right there. And we over here in the menu find system management. There we get a lot of information of what is available in the system management and what can you do and so on and so forth. There is a list of things here that you need the integrated management module advanced upgrade to do, and that's this one, and that's the thing that I have here. And there is a code on that. I'm going to be using this code in just a little bit, but we can actually see what it looks like because I have a copy of it here. And there is this long code here that I'm going to be entering, and that's going to open up together with my serial number of my server, and we're going to get ourselves an FOD code for my server. I have the server here. That's the IMM of the server that we're going to be giving this code. So we can go into the management here and we can kind of see activation key management. That's where the FOD code is going to go in. And we can see I have had a code, integrated management module advanced upgrade. I went in and I got a trial version when I just got the server. That lasts for about 3 months, I think 90 days, and that has expired. So for good measurements, I think we should try and delete that. So remove that for sure. Yes. So that is gone. So we need to go get another one with our new piece of paper with the secret password. So that's over here. If you search for Lenovo and FOD, you well, yeah, it stands for Feature on Demand, and that's the software extra things that you can purchase. So if we log in here, should I just show you that? I have Google here, there, and the first one. You see, exactly the same. Let's go back. So there, and I'm gonna sign in. I do believe that I have an account here. Yes, I had an account. So the trial key that I got, which lasted 90 days, I remember correctly, I got right there. So if you have a server and you haven't used the trial key, well, actually, I don't know if you can just ask for another trial key. You might actually just be able to do that. Yeah, you get that right there, and they will email you. I forget how this works. So I have an activation code, so I believe that we have to go in here and it will load. Input a single activation code. Yes, it approves that. So that is authorization code, it actually says here. Well, you probably can't see that, and it's a long one. Input a single authorization code. Yes. There, and we need to go get. Can we just cut and paste that? That would be neat. Let's see if we can do that. borrow that. Thank you. We put it over here. Paste. That worked. Just want to make sure that there is no space. Continue. And let's hope that they haven't no remaining keys for this authorization code. Did he give me a code that didn't work? Okay, it's the next day, and I kindly asked the errors if maybe this code was already used, and I got another one, so we're gonna be trying that one. So we are back here, and I am requesting activation code here. There, and we are gonna be putting in a single code. Continue. And so now it's, will this work? Continue. Yeah, we got it. So integrated management module advanced upgrade. So you get a long code like that, and you have to put in some stuff. Right now it wants to know something about my server. We can see different models here. We can probably find the right one. It's an 8871. Bottom one, thank you. And model that just disappeared, but it needs the serial number, and I am in on the IMM here. Why did you reload? And we have to log in again. Why? Okay, there we are. So system information, we need the serial number. It's right there. S40, that's a Volvo V. Unfortunately, I can't cut and paste this. That would have been too easy. S40V. S40. Let's have it a big SS40V774. And I only get one go at this, so check it. S40V774. S40V774. Check. Got it. Continue. There. Okay, cool. Please provide an additional email. Okay, so I can email it to myself. That's a good idea. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna download it and we're gonna email it. Let's download. It's downloaded there, and I'm gonna email it to myself so that I always have it. I don't usually delete my email. Success. It was also emailed. So cool, awesome, thank you. And we received our little encoded file down here. It's in the download directory. So now we can go over here to my server, and we can go into the IMM manager. Did it throw me out again? Really? Is that really necessary? That is really irritating. Okay. Activation code. There is nothing here, so let's add one. Select file. And we're gonna go to my download directory. Download. It's right there. And open Sesame. And oh, did I download that twice? Oh, okay. I might have the trial version laying around there as well. That could be called exactly the same. Success. Yes. Awesome. So now that is installed. That's almost too easy. So with this key installed, we can of course do our remote desktop to our server, and that is important. So that's exactly what we want to try. So let's do it. And do you want to run that one, please? HTML5. That's awesome. Where did that go? Oh, the Java version. I wonder if that works. Keep. Go. Later. Well, as long as it works. Yes. Oh, good old Java. Oh, you have to get in line to hate that one. But let's continue. Yeah, we are in. We can see the X3650 Model 5 is running Proxmox. So we are at the console screen of the server here. So thank you very much. That works. So yeah, that's how you install a FOD, feature on demand key. And I needed this on this server so that we can play on with other things. So as I said in the start of the video, this feature on demand code is, well, you don't pay very much for it when you're just buying the server from new. If you then later want to buy one, let's just check it out. Here it is on Amazon, $310 for that feature on demand key code. You can get some used one down here. Cheaper. Found another place. I just googled it. Here is $299. Awesome. And here is in Lenovo in Denmark. They have a picture of some PCB. That's not the case. It is just a feature on demand code. It's almost 2,000 Danish kroners here, and that's not including sales tax. So bargain hardware. I would have loved to show a really cheap price here, but they don't even have it. So eBay would be your friend here, I guess. So here it is for about, but everything is in Danish prices right now. That's irritating. Yeah, here's a good one. We are down in about $150 there. So it's available. It's available cheaper if you're lucky, and you can always trust a friendly Russian here. That's no problem whatsoever. So yeah, we got that up and running. So now I can remotely access my awesome Lenovo X3650 Model 5 again. I could do that when I had the trial key, but that only lasted 90 days. And I wasn't really lining up to pay $300 for a key. So it was very awesome of Eras ECS to sponsor this video by giving me a key that I can use on my server. And do check out Bargain Hardware, where you get 5% off, a modest 5% off, if you enter the code MyPlayHouse, small letters all the way in the coupon code on the way out. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.